The days of needing 10 platforms to build a single app are behind us, thanks to providers like Hostinger. I built a fully functional app with Hostinger Horizons, and I'm going to show you how you can do the same thing in just 3 minutes. And I'm even going to make the first step of the Hostinger Horizons tutorial much easier and more affordable with my discount link. Check the link in the description or scan this QR code for the best deal. Now, usually I need a domain, DNS configuration, an SSL certificate, a database, a control panel, and a dedicated email inbox, just as a bare minimum, just to keep an app hosted. And Hostinger just happens to have all of that in one place, even if you go for the starter plan, which I also personally recommend. But let's find out how to build an app with AI using Hostinger Horizons. Okay, we're gonna go for a simple concept first. So that's what you have to submit as a prompt. Alternatively, you can pick one of the many templates and skip thinking too hard about your concept, and you can always flesh it out later on. Based on your choice, Hostinger Horizons is gonna generate something like this. This is my result, and it looks kind of good for the first try, right? But hey, we're not settling for good around here. We go for perfection. And for that, a bit of personal touch is a must, even in a no-code app builder. Okay, after the prototype is done, there are 2 ways to move forward. If you want to make minor adjustments to text and design, toggle from preview to edit mode and manually type your corrections. And if the goal is to add a new feature, you can submit a new adjusted prompt. Here's how the results look for me. Okay, but now what if you want to change something, but you're not quite sure how to get the desired result? That's where you can ask Cody. It's a Hostinger Horizons AI assistant trained to advise and help refining prompts. And this conversation takes no credit, so don't worry about running out. Done with edits, time to publish. And it's just 1 click to launch app with AI. Pressing publish is going to start that process. It's going to take some time, but you just wait a bit and boom, your app is now live on the web. Yes, we're making a web app here, so if you're planning to release on mobile, you will need an extra tool for that. The final step is connecting a domain, and the editor is going to actually ask you if you want to connect one when you publish. If you pick that option, you'll have to pick a domain you want and follow a few steps in hPanel to finalize the process. The starter plan gives you a free domain already, so you won't have to pay for a separate one. It's pretty simple, right? If you want to give it a try yourself, just check the link in the description or this QR code to get Hostinger Horizons with a special discount. And as you've just witnessed, how to build web app with AI takes about 3 minutes, no coding or extra services required. So share with me your brilliant ideas and realizations in the comments down below, and I wish you luck. See you soon.